Last year my band did this cover gig where we got hired to play Prince songs for like a Prince themed party, and we learned a bunch of Prince tunes that we never played before. One of the ones we did was a song called Possessed. Now the studio version doesn't really have a bass, I don't think, but there's this live version from 1985. Pretty sure Brown Mark is playing the bass. You might be using a pick, but I've been able to emulate it with my band using double thump. So the notes we'll use here are D, C, B, and then E, F, G. D, C, B, D, E, F, G. We do a down, up with the thumb on the D, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, muted down, up on the D. And then I do another muted up on the A string, and then hit the open E. And does that every now and then. Down, up, down, down, muted slap, pop, pop, C, D. Once you get that up to speed, it's a really fun groove to play. So that is Possessed, the live version from 1985 in Syracuse, New York. If you want more double thump technique or more just slap technique in general, go to my channel. Just did a video on Victor Wooten. Yeah, so go learn that. It's fun to play. Okay, bye.